Do you love matcha lattes but want to skip on the caffeine content? Then Hojicha powder is a really good option for you. Before we delve too deep into Hojicha powder, it's important that you know what Hojicha tea is. So Hojicha is a green tea that gets roasted. This roasting process eliminates some of the caffeine. However, Hojicha is also made from a much more mature leaf than matcha and other teas. That also decreases the caffeine content. So it makes Hojicha the perfect tea to drink at any time of day and right into the evenings. And it's a really good option for those who are trying to consume less caffeine. Hojicha tea is then ground down into a really fine powder, just like matcha. And the way that you would prepare it is with a chasen or a whisk. Hojicha's roasted leaves result in a much more mellow and smooth taste with a hint of sweetness like a caramel or even cacao and a comforting depth. It's toasty, earthy, and can even have hints of marine. And because it's low caffeine, it makes Hojicha a wonderful choice for all ages, from children through to the elderly. Just like matcha, you can easily mix Hojicha powder into water, and it should be prepared at around 80 to 90 degrees. You can enjoy this one hot or cold. And if you do have a sweet tooth, if you just put in a little dash of honey or maple syrup, it will really bring out those subtle natural flavors that the Hojicha tea has. Because of the low caffeine content and because of the aromas and flavors that it has, it makes a really great dessert. So Hojicha powder also works great in other recipes, not just as a latte. So you can make sweets with these, cakes, Hojicha brownies, Hojicha flavored ice cream. You can do a lot with this. So if you're looking for a low caffeine alternative, and maybe you're a big fan of matcha and love to whisk your tea, then Hojicha is a really great option for you.